Hello and welcome. It's January 2019 and it's a time of the year when we have some time to relax, and for me I have some time to finally cut some videos from our last harvest. And today it's all about Cabernet Dorsa. In my last video you could see we had some hail damage, and especially hail in this variety, and just have a look how the grapes were and what we've done with them. It's Saturday morning and we actually wanted to take a break and recover so that on Monday the vintage can start perfectly. But unfortunately 2 days ago in the evening, that thunderstorm, we also had a bit of hail damage, and especially on this side you can see the leaves here with all the holes in the leaves. This is Cabernet Dorsa, and part of the berries were damaged by the hail, and they have little cuts on the berries, and therefore we have to pick them this morning. So no pause for us, unfortunately. Luckily we finished all the grape picking this morning before the rain started to get too severe, and now in the winery we're off sorting all the grapes. Before we start off the vintage, we have to test the equipment if everything works. So here we have our destemming machine. Let's get going. Okay, we have electricity. Let's see if it works. What's this thing doing? We have to start soon. Why isn't it going? Okay, quickly call service. Hi Jan, is it you? Yeah, great. What does ENH mean on a destemming machine? It's not working. Okay. So you think, oh, one of the sensors. Yeah, the switch, the security switch. Yes, there's one. One of the other ones? No, it's all closed, so what can it be? Oh, that block on the security switch. Oh, that part and the switch. Okay. Yeah, I'll try it out. Thanks a lot. Bye. Okay, it's ready now. Let's go. Perfect! So, back again. Let's have a look how the Cabernet Dorsa tastes today. Let's open the barrel. Oh, beautiful dark color, really special, awesome. Yes, is there any resulting issue about the hail damage? Nope, not at all. Nice special fruitiness, special for this Cabernet Dorsa. It's not as a nice and elegant fruit into the blackberries like you would have in a Merlot, or into the cassis, blackcurrant flavors you would have in a Cabernet Sauvignon. It's Cabernet Dorsa, and Jürgen, one of my employees, always says, oh, it's got a character of Coke. Oops. Well, anyway. Well, typical flavors. Let's have a sip. Lovely structure. Oh, really full-bodied. I mean, the grapes were super ripe. And it's just a magnificent wine. And we're just waiting for malolactic fermentation now. Well, with these temperatures, we have to wait until springtime arrives. But in the end, 2018, really great vintage. Oh, awesome. Cheers.